We'll guide you through how to fix Zoom problems on Snapchat. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying as perhaps you're unable to zoom or is too zoomed in. We'll cover some different fixes you can try to fix different problems. So first of all, come down to the bottom of Snapchat and there you can actually go and set a zoom. So try setting it to the zoom you want it to be. For example, it could just be 1x, which is normal. Go and see if that goes and solves the problem. If it doesn't, we can try restarting Snapchat. To do that, you want to go and swipe up on it, then swipe on it again to go and close it, and you can then go and reopen it. That can just go and refresh things and go and see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, what's worth doing is reinstalling Snapchat. So what you want to do is go and find Snapchat, tap and hold your finger on it, and we can press remove app. Then we can delete it, and we can go and download it again from our store. Here it is, we can go and download it. Hopefully doing that will go and solve the problem. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.